Okay, here is a short screen recording that is going to cover creating your Google site. Um, if you go to our webpage, and you can actually go to there by going adpcenter.org, and it'll take you to this other site, that's adpcenter.ning.com. You'll see what we have to offer, and we do have a tab that is ePortfolios, and we'll have information, and these are eventually going to be videos showing you how to do the things that I'm doing right now. So what we are doing is we're going to put in sites.google.com. We're going to go there. And it's going to take us to our account login page because we are not logged in. And this is where you put in your Google ID. I'm going to put mine in. And this will get me into anything that is Google related, Google Drive, Blogger, Google Hangout, Google+. So once I'm here, I am going to look. I see all the Google sites I've created, but if you haven't created one before, you're going to go to the same place I am, but you're not going to see these sites here. So I'm going to click on Create. And my advice, even though it gives you other templates, is go with a blank template and decide what you're going to put in here later. It'll be, for me, it's less confusing. You can build up as information you get is in there. And don't click Create yet because you're going to have to name your site. So one of the things that you're going to put in is, I'm going to call this Gina Russo's portfolio. And my wife has a lot of things that she doesn't even know about because I always have to use a pseudonym to create things that I am not using. Down below, I'm going to type in this code, and this one's actually looks pretty easy. Sometimes they can be rather difficult. And while logic may say that the create button would be down here, after we've done all this, we're going to click back on the create on top. It's going to take, we're spinning here, it's going to take a couple of minutes for that to create. Now we are in our site. You can see it titled it already, but we are able to edit any of this information. And I will actually be creating other videos that will show you how to do that to continue with your Google site.